Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete TikTok followers quickly. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. So inside TikTok, tap on the me or profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now tap on the followers count to view the list of users select or following you. Now scroll to the list and find the followers you want to remove. And tap on the three dots next to the follower's name, then select the remove this follower option and confirm the action if prompted. So repeat steps 4 and 5 for each followers you want to remove. And alternatively, if you want to remove all of them together, then simply go to the profile and tap on the three dashboard and tap on the settings and privacy and scroll down and tap on the report a problem and scroll down till you find the option submit a report. Now inside submit a report, appeal for the feature of deleting the TikTok followers quickly and very easily, and TikTok support will reach to you as soon as possible after reviewing your report. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.